How to turn on or turn off Braille display in TalkBack setting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. So after click on Accessibility, click on TalkBack. So after click on TalkBack, click on Settings. Now in TalkBack setting, you will see Braille displays here. So click on Braille display. So if you want to turn on or turn off Braille display, so go back and turn on TalkBack. So after turn on TalkBack and
next back. Welcome to drag preview. Welcome to TalkBack. Finish. Allow TalkBack.
and then click on settings.
Setting.
Double tap
TalkBack
and
settings.
you will see.
P.
Click on Braille display.
TalkBack. TalkBack settings. Navigate up. Braille display.
So after clicking on Braille display, you will see. So if you want to turn on Braille display, so turn on this button. You will see Braille display is turn on. So if you want to turn off Braille display, so double tap and you will see Braille display is turn off. So after the process,
navigate back.
Go back.
TalkBack setting. Double tap to Braille display. TalkBack back. TalkBack.
And turn off TalkBack.
Turn off. TalkBack
So
off.
after the process, go back to home screen. Refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Braille display in text TalkBack setting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.